Parker's involvement in the America's Cup goes way back, many campaigns. Pat Parker was an avid sailor and very involved in the America's Cup, and always wanted to make sure that Parker was involved in some way.
For me, the main way the America's Cup has evolved is with technology.
We've gone from going 10 knots upwind to going 35 knots upwind.
So now, without the drag of the hull, this boat is literally flying on the surface of the water.
Parker can inevitably reduce load and reduce friction inside the boat, which makes the boat easier to sail, and that's a performance gain.
My first impression of sailing our new AC75 was amazing. These boats are extremely complicated, and having confidence in the boat is extremely important. Our partnership with Parker allows our hydraulics and our electronics technology to be very high level, and that gives me a lot of faith in the technology in our boat that it's going to succeed.
Parker is involved from the root of the flight control to the very top of the power, how this thing is powered. If we don't have Parker, the boat doesn't fly.
And when you're flying through the water like that, you have to be able to control the boat. And the hydrofoils have control surfaces on them similar to the control surfaces on the wings of an airplane. And Parker makes the custom designed actuators that make those control surfaces move.
We're a motion controls company. You know, we are experts at this, and this is America's Cup, right? This is being, part of something that is world class.
Having the backing of Parker and all the other supporters that we have here at American Magic is really critical. I think it gives you confidence that you're working with the best in the business, and also just you know that you have this great family around you that are all driving for the same goal.
Parker is helping us to continue our development. It's endless development if we want to stay in front of the fleet.
Parker's a perfect fit for this because competitive sailing is very much like the aerospace industry. What Parker brings to everything here is a competitive advantage.
The biggest thing about engineering breakthroughs is talent and technology, and Parker has both of them.
To really have a nice competitive engineering environment to come up with solutions that we believe are going to make this the fastest boat on the water.
And to see these very large boats hydrofoiling up out of the water is really quite a sight to see.
In many ways, we are trying to get to the moon. What you see is a team that is relentless in their pursuit for the America's Cup, and Parker is the same way.
We have the complete package with Parker. I'm glad we have them back.
I'm quietly confident. I think the boat is an amazing piece of work, an amazing piece of engineering, and I think that it's going to be fast enough to be a contender for this America's Cup.